That's right. That's right. And we start with A, B, C, D.
Sing with me.
Yay!
Where we went?
Where did the bee go? Did you put it under here? You just had it.
Huh?
Where did the bee go? What if you stand up? You just had the bee. Where is the bee?
I'm not working.
The car's not working. Well, no, please don't climb up there. No. Please get down. Let's find the bee. Where's the bee? Thomas, Mama asked you not to go up there. Thank you, Thomas.
Where'd that go?
I don't see the bee anywhere.
See up there.
No, it's not up there.
Toy up there.
That's Dylan's toys up there. You're gonna eat a chip.